Hey guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you why Bitcoin is rising as high as it is. Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Happenings. If you're new to this channel, why not take out time now to hit the red subscribe button below. Also, you can hit the push notification button which is just beside the subscription button so that you get amazing updates from this channel. Thank you so much for your time. Alright, let's get to the business of the day. Now, so many people have been reacting for quite some time now on why Bitcoin has been rising. It rose by 21% today to a point of $31,000, which broke the whole market. Now, and a lot of people have been wondering why it has risen this much. Well, in this video, I'll be explaining each detail to you, so stick with us. All right, now, before in the year 2018, there was an analysis that was brought out that if you had zero point 0.1 Bitcoin at that point in time, it would be equivalent to 1 Bitcoin as at today, which means, let me just give the analysis in Naira because I'm in Nigeria at the moment. So if you had about 1.5 million Naira of Bitcoin as at 2018, that's 2 to 3 years ago, you'll be worth about 15 million Naira today, which is a very high increase in Bitcoin. Now, you might have wondered, why is this crypto actually rising at this rate? Why is it rising so much like this? So now, during this COVID-19 period, a lot of people looked for a new means of investment, a new place to actually invest their money, and crypto became part of the system they used in investing. They left other investment platforms to actually come to crypto marketing. Now, 2020 taught a lot of people a lot of things, and one of those things it taught people was diversification of funds, and Bitcoin was one of the methods in which they had to use in diversification of their funds. So many people came into the crypto market, and the most popular of them all was Bitcoin. So many people, if you could notice, other cryptos were actually rising at that point in time when Bitcoin was rising. Also, another factor that influenced the high rate of increase of Bitcoin as at now is the means of exchange. Now, countries don't really need to use interbank transfer for Bitcoin transfers. What it does do is now is, instead of transferring to other currencies, instead of looking for ways to have exchange rates, you just go to your Bitcoin account and actually just send to any country, and it's for free. You just need the Bitcoin wallet to actually transfer all these funds. So this actually influenced the amount of people actually going into the crypto market. Now, if I want to transfer a sum of 5 million Naira to yet another country, I don't have to be there physically. I don't have to go to any bank to actually try to change it into another currency, get charges, rates, and all that. I just go to my wallet, my Bitcoin wallet, to actually transfer to other countries, which actually influence the market to this point where it is. Now, there's another factor that many people actually ignored in the rise of Bitcoin as at today. As I checked it and I saw it was 15.6 million Naira, and so many people were excited. Those, as at March 2020, when the corona started much in Nigeria, you saw that people that had 4 million Naira at that point in time are currently worth 15.6 million Naira, which is 11.6 million Naira rise from that point in time. So now, SRP are actually having issues with SEC, and this has positively influenced the Bitcoin market. How is that? Many people are pulling out of Ripple's market. Many people are pulling out of SRP market to actually try to invest those their funds in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a bit stable than other cryptocurrencies. is more stable and it doesn't have issues with SEC, because SRP had been issues with SEC. They got hit with a lawsuit that they were not treating the cryptocurrency as a security. They were just treating it as a normal exchange market. So that's why they had issues, and so many people have kicked Ripples out of the market. At this time, I know Coinbase, which is one of the biggest, which is actually the biggest crypto market, are actually kicking them out by January 19th out of the market completely. So Ripples are actually suffering this at this point in time, but they promised that they were going to fight back and make sure they come back on track. But many are actually scared of how their money is going to be, how they'll sustain for that point in time, because so many people had already lost a lot of money from Ripple, so they had to pull out of the market. So Ripple rose to a point of 420 naira as at November, November 2020, but as of December, it started dropping after the lawsuit was hitting them drastically. Now, again, the Bitcoin market actually rose to this point. It is because it is one of the most trusted. I know Bitcoin has been existing for several years now and has not had any issue from the time it began till this point in time. So many people are actually assured that Bitcoin is not going to have issues in the long run. Whether anything happens, their money is still sure. It's not as if one day they will just wake up and they'll shut them down from the the whole internet. They'll shut them down from the crypto market. No, Bitcoin is one of the most stable, and it will continue to be stable because it's an organized system, is listed in their exchange, and it won't just go out like that. So most people looking for means of investment are actually going to invest in Bitcoin at the moment. So it's actually making the market this much. It's actually making the market this big, and many people are still predicting that Bitcoin is still going to enter about 10 million naira. We're hoping it would, because so many people profit, and as many people are actually seeing is rising this much, they actually want to invest in Bitcoin now so that they can make as much profit. But the only fear with the Bitcoin market at this point in time now is if it will just drop in one day, because there's uncertainty in market. When the market is bullish as it is now in Bitcoin, many people tend to invest their money in it, but when it's bearish, people tend to run out of the market, and nobody is a guru at that point in time, which is the problem with all these Bitcoin. So at any point in time, it can rise when people are influencing the market, but when it's going down, people tend to run out of the market, not thinking of the future. Now, if you had invested Bitcoin at about 2010, you would have earned a lot of money. I think as of 2010, Bitcoin was just 10,000 naira. So having that, your money would have been times 100 of what it used to be at that point in time. So you would have actually been more of a billionaire at this point in time, or a multi-millionaire at this point in time. So guys, that's that for now. I will keep on giving us updates on Bitcoin, on cryptocurrencies as they keep coming. So guys, if you've not yet hit the red subscribe button to this channel, please do so now by hitting the red subscribe button below. Also hit the push notification bell, which is just beside the subscription button, so that you get amazing updates from this channel. And if you're missing out on our investment classes we have on this channel, please go back to those videos and check them. They're actually awesome videos. So please support us, drop your comment, give us a thumbs up, and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you next time.
Please, if you're new to this channel, hit the red subscribe button below. Also, you can hit the push notification button, which will give you updates as we keep on on posting new and new photos every day. Thank you.